Hello, family. It's a beautiful Thursday afternoon. Here is True King Auto Sales Office. We are located at La Paz New Market. La Paz New Market. And then today we are about to discuss about how we buy the car. After buying the car, how to ship the car to Africa or to the neighboring country. And obi bebu sase ede na ifa o kan. The me pese obi bi also nte mfiri ma no ɛne sɛ ɛnɛ yɛ ɛnɛ yawada awia na mekasa firi Truken Auto Sales Office a ɛwɔ Nkan La Paz abɔnten so na yɛdwumadie no a da bi yɛtaa yɛ no sɛ yɛtɔ cars na yɛahyɛpɔ through all the African continent and yet only Africa to the entire world. Now Truken will ship it to everywhere in the world. Nti so why you ready ability na be say we pick the number from the screen no after Truken Auto Sales Office. Whether you are in Ghana or outside the country, obetimi afraid na yama any explanation there about how you talk no na yesan head a shape cars no. Na ene no your topic na gina your talker ni we a obi bebu sa say bedi nahi ansa na meka no etimi abeka me nsa e wo Ghana. And so obi a wo hwe me free amono na wo Ghana wo hwe me free outside the country so wo Ghana ha nko ade a the only thing I say after buying the car no sometimes it will take like 3 weeks to 1 month before you get the title to ship the car. Someone will ask you, say, what is the meaning of the title? The papers of the car, no, that is the title. Without the title, you can't ship the car or you can't take the car to the shipping yard because you're supposed to go there with the documentation in your name. Car, no, you are the owner of that car. So after buying the car from auction, the car owner supposed to sign agreement form from ownership no to wa purchase car no udimu na ye hu se car na woto nse se car no ya sign ownership no into wangasa wo personal name. And sometimes go bet my purchase about that particular car, it will take like 3 weeks 1 month before you get the how do you call it the title to ship. And most of the customers now they find that thing difficult. Other than a car maybe take 1 month, 2 months, and send a second car, and even more than that months and send a second. Sometimes it based on the date here title no, you best put to ye and send it me a take car no from auction or at the shipping yard. Now the can say after say your car no. Yebe fat truck a towing car no abe pick car no from auction to the shipping yard. And that one too no car na abe pick your truck no, and also you supposed to pay for that car. If the car is not drivable, are you supposed to pay for the towing car? That one and cost. And if the car na run and drive there, then we can drive through the port without any charge. But say if a car not drivable, na a accident, na car need to be towed, yeah, you supposed to pay the towing fee or the truck fee. The owner of the car, no, you supposed to pay that one. And that is another thing. So I was a mother for ne a for and your customers and tell say about that side because your talkers in area. It take 2 weeks, 3 weeks before auction be release the title no before answer the car no akwa shipping yard akwa ship car no. And then the next step is that car no call shipping yard that doesn't mean that day they are going to ship your car. No, it doesn't work like that because one vessel it may take more than 1,000 cars at a time. The same vessel not pass through the Europe before Africa. And you just imagine. Say one vessel actually over 1,000 cars, thousands of containers. Another goes a na the same vessel no ede ba nti hu say it won't be a 2 days 3 days journey. Sometimes it will take like 1 month 2 weeks 1 month 3 weeks or even 2 months before ansana vessel no ebe get it to the destination or person or the echo nti aha nso ye one key point e was me man customers nyina entiase na omo anye dey ehun the difference between buy and shipping. And then you say yeah the car no cost shipping yard because of say shipping company no they are doing their job. They are doing their personal job. We don't control them. And the amount to me and found car no and level Africa. Yentimi mputu nko car no one vessel near ship so it will take a time. Sometimes even the port it can take like 2 weeks 3 weeks or 1 month before they move the vessel. And after buying the car no this is another thing so customers maybe a true baby I no munya understand them but ni nyina say kasa and say nchirichirimu enombe here so that put pressure on us. Until after buying the car no a bit take yemfa no bosome mi no like 2 months and sana car no abedru Africa and a bedru Tamaport or krana a bit me take like a week before and sana container no I drop it down am on my day cars no ababonting ama wakotuatua or import duties and the can one sana on side akan car no na the woman car no emedru krana because of say bill of loading car bia or the port will be after say obey documentation area no they will give you a form of paper called bill of loading, and then we have bill of entry. Bill of entry no will be received in your country. The time I will pick a car no from the port, they will give you bill of entry, and then shipping the car no they will give you a bill of loading. And so two different things, bill of loading and bill of entry. And the bill of loading no and a shippers line no ebe send ya ma ye as a car owner na e ship o car no omo de be ma ye nti no na ye so ya forwarded that bill of loading no to an agent wherever your agent is, either Nigeria, Togo, Ghana, Benin, Burkina, any part of Africa. Bill of loading will send it to your your agent. So the agent will based on that bill of loading. Then Obama will say this is the actual date your vessel number land or country. Inti enono sa na betimi ama wire de wabobo aho to the extent say car na ba bedroom po no akwakotua or import duties na ni obi bi every inti as soon as a baby container so now you can take your car out of the port. So this is another thing so shipping no nti ya na ebesla dofo ne ahwefo ne atiefo nyina se no aya monya entoboase emaye kakra a chance ho na ya na atwetwe amanfo aso kakra because obetimi akwahye ne say car no by 2 months time and by 1 month time no any panansa ebetimi ande akan car no say koba no say time na wo de share ne nsa ankan car na I say or put pressure on you. But we are not control the shipping line. We are not control the shipping line. So sometimes you best mubenya and to was am I about the shipping side because you talk anyway take it time and sanaka no abidru Ghana until most of the time I am catch the customers say you talk anyway mama 2 months exactly 2 months obetimi receive okano in your country, either Nigeria, Togo, Ghana, Benin, any part of Africa. Like 2 months, or Liberia, or anywhere, like 2 months. If say take 1 month, 2 weeks, so then you are good to go. What I say, and then sana hanso system here a work and the trucking auto sales and then na jumadi na ya da nkoma ye bebono How so another key point here. Here pa nti na ya hye da ba say ye be nchirichiri mu ene mpensempese mu afa kwan a ye nam so a ye ship car no ye to car no we process ya car no be go through before ansa na wonsa akan car. If you say to car no we are you 1 week to pick the car from the auction. And after say you to car no we you be train title. And it's a title on my car you can even take the car out of the port. So title number on best send it through your mail. And after you be receiving how do you call it, title no, and also ni jina na yanso ya forward ya ma agent na ewo country a wo no na agent no so ehun say oh this vessel and dem cars na yere eba na vessel no ba be draw this day this time so and so that also do betimi aye arrangement about seek assembly or BBA or documentation to go and pay your import duties and take your car out of the port until na a hanso and chirichirimono and so and I can say na yinwe the entire yinwe and say some of the time no shippers line to me a ship cars no edeba car no ba be dro na bi a bibi nya dey any car no. Last 3 months, your cars you buy, your 2 cars you buy na keys no. Any car anymore. And you contact shippers authority no. Ebu so say how come say one Mercedes Benz and one Mazda CX5 and one Mercedes Benz C300 lost keys. So your logic complain no, to the shippers line no. And then shippers line no, it tell you say no. There are keys in the cars, both 2 cars. Emma they give us video and pictures of that cars. Say keys in here they work car but cars no a free vessel no more package na keys in him. And yeni anu amu share any more amu yejuma portal no. Your best because will be better thousands of dollars at the atoka abetua import duties. Now befa ne car key more besan ko spend another amount of money as an ko twaki no a hadwin. Enti yedwuma we a pass it through a lot. A pass it through process more and sana cars na yede etimi every port mpo ama wo as a owner of that car on side aka. And yes ye toka ni we are na yatia da bida. The talker anywhere yentina ye follow up to see say every customer be receiving a cars before and sana ye won say ye wie adwuma without that no ye sleeping on that ye say ebi obi atoka no twa service fee atoka na ashepo into yes no it doesn't work like that because always ye follow up to check up the cars say cars no vessel no the cars na bedru safely and say a medru ana date bay and a cars no eba bedru ana date bay and a cars na be ebeba. So this is our Truken Auto Sales. Your best your customers in your TF one more share and more person new buyers and more person better car and chirichiri more mubenya fa shipping no ana ye toka no we are kwan nam so ye be ship cars no e de abele mo Ghana no process here aya ye fam before answer na cars na yede abedru ya nchen ewo Africa. Cars na pass it through processes more nti ye besere mo anya bo apaye say sometimes ebinum car etimi delay ebinum car delay I think say obi car di more than 4 months because it take car no to the shippers line no ama later on no omo anka nkyere say car no e wo say enye container yenso car na ye no roro yeah nti later on I find out say cars na abaga no enka ho no ye France na shippers line na kyere say car no intimi nye no roro nti age say ye befa na ye container nti now make say afena na car no ya san kofa from port or asan ye container ni nyina ye tua car na san kofa ba no asan je $700 and santi na $500 na ye charge customer na say service fee no yasan lose nti cars na yeton yadwuma na adding you pass it through a lot nti ya ye besa mo se mo benya ntoboase ene boase toyemu e de amaye na yenso yetimi deliver good services enso e de ayede amamo True King Auto Sales ye kira kwan wo Nkran La Paz obedro La Paz new market wa hotel bi wo kwan no e friend kum hotel to udru hotel na nemu a wo de free ofre ya any hotel no and ebo ho pe until you can take the number from the screen and call True King Auto Sales office. We are located right here in La Paz, Accra, Ghana. And wherever you are watching me from, True King Auto Sales, me I provide good services amount all the time, each time, anytime. Where and the only thing now be so be fire number no na wafre na in pense mubia efa buy ana shipping no no na wakachire emom no ohu bi kan bi wo ba bi obi ono ankasa no wo ne software ono ankasa tim de check cars no e wo ono ankasa na laptop so ana ne phone so na so opese ye toma won so a the same thing. It's like yeah na yakokoto and we pay a service fee for $500 in my utu ama area no send the link na my and the link no eso ne be hwe ni ahwe baby bia car na ye dey e wo ye be hwe location oni ahwe state kura car no mo ton e se ye betimi ato a ye betimi ato na ya shepo de ayre e de amount kama say wa wo betimi ato ana so wo na apese ye ntoma wa wo betu a service fee utua service fee ni eto wi a na afen so no shipping ne de se wa wo shipping line abemo ma befa se ye so na pese o ma ye ship ma wa ne nyina wo ka kire ya ye behwe na ya ye ne nyina ama wo kama True King Auto Sales clean inside clean outside and on ye ya body the name behind the True King Auto Sales nti wo kana se wa nkan wana ite se wa saka puma no anya de wa enwam clean inside clean outside